how to transfer major token from Bitget to Bybit. Now, first of all, we need to get the withdrawal address of major token from our Bybit account. Now, first of all, open the Bybit app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on assets and now tap on deposits and now click on deposit crypto. Now, as you can see here in the search bar, you can type the token name. In this case, it will be major like that. So after you find your token, I'll just click on it. Now wait a few seconds to be able to select the tone of the network, and now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token. Now go back and open your Bitget app. Now, after you open the Bitget app, make sure to log into your account and now tap on assets. Now from the top bar, select the spots and now tap on withdraw. And from the search bar, you can type the token name, major, like that. Now after you find your token, now just click on it and now click on on-chain withdrawal. And as you can see here in the withdrawal address, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Bybit account and now set the network as a tone. There is only one. Now, if you have the tag, the memo, you can provide it. If you don't, it's optional. Now, you can now type the amount that you want to transfer and after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Bybit account. So this is how to transfer major token from Bitget to Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.